You're watching Adam Builds Colorado, and this is week 135 of my renovation on Iris Street. Let's hit it. This week is going to be a quick one. On Thursday, I have just enough time in the evening to finish the flooring in the master bedroom and the master bath. On Friday, I'm back at Rocky Flats. Check out just how beautiful it is here in the spring. On a side note, the green grass and blue skies today are giving me flashbacks of Windows XP wallpaper. On Saturday, I'm able to finish the vinyl flooring in my office. In the evening, I head to Better Concert Hall to catch Stravinsky's Rite of Spring with my good friend Deborah. If you haven't heard it before, all you need to know is 2 timpani sets. The ending is phenomenal. It's Monday the 29th, which is Memorial Day here in the United States. In Boulder, Colorado, we have the nation's largest 10K, the Boulder Bolder, which is something my sister and I used to run every year back in high school. The fastest I've ever ran a 10K was in 2007 when I ran this race in 40 minutes and 25 seconds. It's been a lifetime goal of mine to break 40 minutes in the 10K, and I have really high hopes that I'm going to be able to do it this year. I filled my hydro pack with tailwind and hit the course flying. I started clocking 630 miles right off the bat, and I knew if I could hold on, I had a chance. By the last 2 miles, I was definitely in pain, but that's the glory of a 10K. You light the candle and go, and before long, it's over. My official finish time was 39 minutes, 24 seconds, so I did it. And I nabbed the 15th spot for my age. Now that I've crossed this barrier, I guess the goal next year is sub 39. On my way out of the stadium, I couldn't resist getting some shots of CU's campus. Even though I'm a Colorado State alum, CU has one of the most beautiful campuses in the country, especially in the spring and the summer. My favorite here, of course, is the observatory and Fisk Planetarium. Back at home, it's hot, I'm tired, I just want to rest, but I need to keep working on the house, so what you're going to get is a compromise. I'm taking off this old rotted wood and replacing it with siding, but because I'm tired and lazy, there are no action shots today. After using a router to trim the old wood flush, I nail up the Hardy Backer siding. I'm able to tuck it underneath the old flashing, which is great because it meant I didn't have to disturb the roof system. That's a wrap for week 135. Thanks for running along with me, and until next week, try not to hit your fingers with a hammer.